Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss an important thing about the format cells, how to format cells. The objectives are how to format cells, cells alignment, and cells fonts and styles. Here we have data, unformatted data, and we want to format this data by your favorite style. So the first thing, you select the data. You can change the font style from here. Select your favorite font style. I always prefer Time New Romans, so I will search for it. Time New Romans, okay? This is Time New Romans. After that, I can change the size of this font, larger or smaller, okay? I prefer 16. Also, you can use bold from here to bold the style, to use bold style from here, or you can press Ctrl B, okay? After that, I prefer to center this content from alignment from here, okay? Also, you can use italic style from Ctrl I, like that. Also, you can use underline, or you can use double underline from here, okay? Okay. Also, you can auto fit the content by column width using this icon, okay? This icon. Also, you can make border about the content. If you want to distinguish the title of this table, you can select the title from here and make a border around the title from here, like thick outside border, like that. See? Also, if you want to change the color of the border, just right click here, and from more borders, you can change the color to black, okay? Also, you have many options for border. You can select all this area here and select borders from here and select all borders. So this is borders for all selected cells, okay? Okay. If you want to make more borders, from more borders here, you can select upper border, or select lower border, or select cross border if you want, or select cross border again, and see the result. This is the result. If you want to make this border, if you want to make this style of border for all the cells, just select all the cells and from here more borders, and select cross from here and cross from here, and okay. So this is the result. It's flexible, you can change what you want, okay? Control Z, Control Z. Moreover, you can make more borders style, bottom border, top border, left border. So this is the result. This is bottom border, and this is top border, and this is all border, and this is right border, and this is left border, and so on, okay? Okay. Also, you can make double border, like this double line. You make thick border, like this thick line. You can make, you can draw also, you can draw border. So if you want to draw a border, just select draw border and drag this pen. So you make this border. If you want to change style, like that, select draw border and draw what you want. Okay. Also, you can draw border grid from here. This is border grid. Okay. You can change the line from here. If you want red, this is red border grid. Okay. Okay. Also, if you want to change style from here, if you want dash, you can write dash. You can write center line. You can write double line. You can write whatever you want. Okay. Okay. If you want more options from here, you can change style, you can change color, you can change border, right, cross, left, upper, bottom. If you want to remove all these borders, just select what you want to remove the border and select no borders. So all borders have been deleted. This is about borders, this is about time font, this is about size, this is about increase font size and decrease font size. This is about the alignment and italic and border font style and underline and double underline. Also, the final thing in our lecture, you can use theme color to colorize your content. So if you want to colorize the header of this content, just select the header and select whatever color you want to draw. So I prefer to select this dark blue, and you can also select the content of font color from here like that. Okay, let's try another example. If you want to select this area and select the fill color for this area like orange, and select the font color by red, or let's try this. Okay, okay, so you have two colors here. Orange is the fill color and the font color is the dark blue. Okay, thank you and see you in the next lecture.